Hi everyone, let's go ahead and get started with the IMDB movie data analysis. Previously we had seen how you can do a line plot with some basic data frame. Now we are going to read the data frame from a CSV file. In this lesson we will be using IMDB movie data.csv file. You can simply read it like movies equal to pd.read_csv. And then you need to provide here a file address. Currently we are having this file inside a data folder, so that I say here data /imdb movie data.csv. So I wrote here just imdb, thereafter I pressed tab in my keyboard. It automatically find out the relevant file and then it just simply pull all the the correct file name. Thereafter, I'm just going to limit the total file rows here to 50 only. So I say here n rows equal to 50. That means it is going to read just a 50 line of code. Thereafter, I'm going to say here a movies.head, and here I get the first 5 lines of the movie data set. Thereafter, you see there is the rank, and you have the title, genre, description, director, actor year, runtime in minutes, and rating votes. And here you have the revenue in the $1 million, and there is the meta score. Moreover, you can also get here the columns of this data frame, something like that, movies.columns. So you get there the total number of columns here. All these columns are available there. And now we are gonna use here movies rank column and movies revenue column to plot a line plot here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take first of all the previous the plot from here, plt.plot x and y. So you need here x and then y, something like that. So you have here x and the y. Even though if we remove x, we can simply plot here y. All right, so to do that, what we are gonna do here, actually we are gonna provide here revenue millions. All right, so this particular from the data frame that we have here movies, this one. So movies revenue millions. Let's go ahead and just run this. All right, it's here. Sorry. Oops. All right, so I'm just going to run this. Now you see there how it's going to do. You see there it has just plotted the revenue in millions. You see this y-axis is saying that how much revenue a movie has got, its rank wise. Although we did not provide here x-axis, we can also provide that x-axis. So I'm just going to provide here our x-axis here. So that x-axis is movies, and there I'm going to provide here rank. So now you see there rank is moving from 1 to 50 rank, and then the rank wise it is saying that how the revenue is occurred with the rank wise. And there are some disconnecting lines. The reason is for some movies the total revenue is not available. That means there are null values into our movie data frame, so that you can find out something like that is null dot sum. So there you see movies dot is null dot sum. There you see in revenue there are 7 movies which have null revenue. So we need to fill that value as well. So to fill that, I'm just gonna add here a new cell, and there I'm gonna say here movies dot fill NA with 0, and then I'm gonna say here in place equal to true. Thereafter I'm just gonna plot it. Now you see there is no disconnecting lines. All these null values are filled with the 0 here. All right, perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. In the next lesson I'll be showing you how you can analyze this plot.